Hello and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we have an exciting quiz to test your knowledge on identifying healthy and unhealthy foods. Let's dive right in, shall we? Our first item is a juicy apple. Is it healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Apples contain antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and several other nutrients. Is this cupcake healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Cupcakes are delicious but often high in sugar and fats. Is this yogurt healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Plain yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics. Is this green avocado healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Is burger healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Burgers are high in calories, fats, and salt. Is fish healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Fish is an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. Are French fries healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. French fries have too much oil and salt. Is broccoli healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Broccoli is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamins and several vital minerals. Are nuts healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Nuts are good sources of protein, healthy fats, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. Is pizza healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Pizza with lots of cheese and meats is high in calories, sodium, and carbs. Is carrot healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Carrots contain many nutrients, including beta-carotene and antioxidants. Is chicken healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Chicken is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Is this ice cream healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Ice creams contain added sugar and saturated fats. Is egg healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Egg white and yolk are rich in nutrients. Yolk is rich in vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, while the egg white contains proteins. Is this soda healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Soda has lots of sugar and has no essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, or fiber. That's all from our healthy versus unhealthy food quiz.